Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter base in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 15 and a Phillips screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water filter base. The water filter base installed in the upper right corner of the freshwood compartment allows the water filter to be installed and removed easily. The main reason why the water filter base should be replaced is if it cracks, causing a water leak, or the release mechanism breaks, jamming the water filter. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. I would suggest that you put a towel underneath of the water filter because you may have quite a few drops of water. Then I'm going to press the filter in to release it. All right, carefully pull it out. Try to keep this end up like that so you don't have to wipe the floors. Now we can remove the towel. Now I'm going to remove the shelf to have a better access. Lift it up and release the rear hooks. We need to remove the light cover. So I'm going to lift it up, and then there's two hinges. Need to press it up right there, and one is here. And we can remove it. Next, we're going to take this Torx 15 screw out using a Torx 15 screwdriver. And now we can slide the filter housing off. Now we need to remove 4 Phillips screws. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take them out one by one. I recommend to place a towel here. We may have some water dripping down. Now we're going to need to remove these 2 tubes. I need to press up on that blue collar and pull out the water line. And same thing here. And the old base comes out. This is the old water filter base next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We can slide in a new water filter base. Push it up. And now we're going to install these water lines. The clear line goes on the right, and this kind of brownish on the left. Push it up all the way. Alright, now we're going to secure it with the 4 Phillips screws. Alright, the first screw goes in. And now we can safely remove the towel and slide on the outer filter housing. Alright, so we're going to install this Torx 15 screw. I'm using the Torx 15 screwdriver. Keep it up and tighten the screw. And now we're going to install the light shield. So this 2 hinges is supposed to lock over these 2 tabs. I'm going to turn it over, slide it in there, and push it in. Now I'm going to install the shelf. I'm going to place the rear hooks in first into the cutouts. Push the rear end down and let go of the shelf. And now we're going to install the filter back in. We're going to match these 2 long stripes with the cutouts. You can't install it the other way. So slide it in and push it in till it locks. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.